You're falling through space when suddenly a monstrous shadow appears. A black hole, silent, dark, and utterly inescapable, pulls you in. But what if somehow you survived the fall? What would you feel, see, and could you send a message back before vanishing forever? As you approach the black hole, things get weird. Really weird. The gravity becomes stronger with every kilometer, but not evenly. The force on your feet is massively stronger than the pull on your head. This creates what scientists call spaghettification, your body stretching thinner and thinner like a strand of spaghetti. If this were a stellar mass black hole, you'd be torn apart long before crossing the event horizon. But let's say this is a supermassive black hole, millions of times heavier than the sun. The gravitational gradient is gentler, and spaghettification might not happen right away. Instead, you float, alive, for now. Time slows down around you. To an outside observer, your fall seems frozen at the edge of the event horizon, like a paused video. But for you, everything moves normally. In fact, you look back and see the entire universe accelerating, stars swirling faster, redshifting into infrared, then microwave. You are witnessing the future of the cosmos in fast forward. Now, here's where it gets even stranger. Could you send a signal back? In theory, yes, before you cross the event horizon. You could use lasers, radio signals, or bursts of gravitational waves. But they'd have to escape the immense gravity warping space and time. The closer you get to the horizon, the harder it becomes. Your signal would redshift, weakening into static. But if timed perfectly, just before crossing the threshold, you might get one final burst of data through. A message from the edge of forever, and what happens after you fall inside? That's the mystery. No known physics can describe what goes on within the singularity. General relativity breaks down. Quantum mechanics offers guesses. Some theories suggest you might survive as information encoded on the event horizon. Others claim you're annihilated instantly. Some propose exotic ideas like wormholes or alternate universes, where the black hole is actually a tunnel to another reality. But no one knows for sure. The most terrifying part, you wouldn't feel the moment you crossed the event horizon. No flash, no boom, no shift in gravity, just silence. For you, it feels like free fall continues, but for the universe, you're already gone, trapped inside a one-way door to oblivion. So, if you fell into a black hole and somehow survived, what would you experience? Slow-motion death, cosmic time travel, or the last glimpse of existence before becoming part of the universe's most mysterious object? One thing's certain. The journey would be unforgettable. Even if you could never return to tell the tale,